is when we have without replacement question, how do we deal with it? And when we have with replacement question, how do we deal with it? So while I'll try this question without replacement, I would want you to try the question with replacement on your own. So this is a DIY problem. Just change it to with replacement and attempt it, compare the results, and maybe bring it to class tomorrow if you think you are getting different results. Okay? So now, let's go to the first question. The first question, the question says, a bag contains 3 red, a bag contains 3 red, 5 blue, and 4 green markers. Giselle picks 2 markers, one after the other, without replacement. So the first thing is you want to know how many markers altogether, because that is what the probability is based on, right? So how many markers altogether do we have? 12. So altogether we have 3 red, 5 blue, and we have 4 green, and that will be 12, right? 12 altogether. Now, what is the chance that they are of the same color? Who can tell me how this with or without replacement affects the answer? Anyone?
The total number.
We have just 2 minutes. What?
The total number reduced by 1 every
The total always reduced. So what does she mean by that? What is the probability of same color? Means red red or blue blue or green green, right? So the chance of picking a red will be 3 over what?
12.
12. But the chance that the second is red is what?
2 over 11.
2 over 11. Remember, you have taken a red, you didn't replace it. So now when you go back to the bag, you have just 2 more reds. And altogether you have just 11. Because you never replaced the last one that you picked. That's the difference between with and without replacement. In the case of with replacement, what will have been the second fraction?
3 over 11.
The same 3 over 11. Does it make sense? And similarly, what is BB? Yes, quickly.
5 over 12.
5 over 12 times.
4 over 11.
And the last one?
4 over 2.
Times.
3 over 11.
If the question emphasizes that leave your answers in fraction, and of course maybe you want to see some of the calculations, you don't have to reduce the fraction. Because they are common denominator, just work with that common denominator. Then you reduce the fraction when you get to the last one. Alright? Because some questions emphasize leave your answer in fraction. Please follow those instructions, it's very important. What if they are red and blue? The first one being red, what is the chance?
3 over 12.
And the second being red,
4 over
2 over 11. Actually, I should have said a red and a blue. But it's the same. Is this all you do?
No.
Does red and blue means just RB?
I think it should be 4 over 11.
Is this 4?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Again, does it mean this RB?
BR.
What am I missing?
BR.
I should also include BR. There's a difference between when your first one is red and the second is blue, and maybe the first one is blue, the second is red. Does it make sense? So because of that, you have to add 4 over 12 times 3 over 11. Does it make sense? So you have to be very careful. Any questions? Okay, so we stop here. See you tomorrow.